10 ways to feel more comfortable and confident on camera. Number 1, practice in front of a mirror or with a friend so you get more comfortable with body language and interacting. 2, use positive affirmations to boost your self-confidence. 3, dress in clothes that make you feel comfortable and confident. Number 4, set up the lighting in a way that makes you feel comfortable. Number 5, take deep breaths and make sure you feel confident before hitting play. Number 6, remind yourself that it's normal to feel nervous. Number 7, make sure you smile so that way you feel more confident and comfortable and you come across as more comfortable and confident. Number 8, look at the camera so that way you're connecting with your audience. Number 9, avoid being fidgety and being weird and nervous looking on camera so that way your audience doesn't get freaked out. And number 10, remember that you are the expert bringing this information to the people, so you have to remain confident and comfortable in the information that you know is valuable and people want to hear it. Follow for more.